keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Subject Environmental Studies, Standard 3, Chapter number 13, Our Diet. Students, in the previous chapter, we have learned how food is important for us. Now, let us see what is diet. We eat some food preparations as a part of our meal every day. We also eat some snacks between meal times. Besides, we might also have milk, tea, coffee, or juice. All that we eat during the day is together called as our diet. Why does our food intake differ on different days? Sometimes we are very hungry and we eat a lot. That day, our food intake is more. And sometimes we don't feel hungry and we eat very little. That day, our food intake is less. Our eating habits also differ according to the ages. Diet differs on the work done by the people. First is physical work. When doing certain kind of work, we make lot of vigorous movements. Such work is hard on our body. It is called as physical labor or physical work. Physical labor makes us very hungry as it needs a lot of energy. Next is sedentary work. Some kind of work can be done sitting at one place. It does not take physical efforts to do it. Such work is called as sedentary work. People who do sedentary work don't feel hungry as those who do physical work because they don't have to do lot of hard efforts while doing their work. Every day we eat different type of food. There is lot of variety in our diet. We eat food depending on how hungry we are. That is, our hunger determines how much we eat. We also need to consider which food items we eat. Different people include different items of food in their diet. If some combination of the dish is prepared every day, then we have to eat same type of food all the time, which makes our meal boring. That is why different food items are prepared every day so that we can eat our food very nicely. In regions where rice grows in plenty, rice becomes a major part of diet of the people living there. In regions where jowar or bajra is major crop, people include more of bhakri in their diet. In certain regions, wheat is the major crop. People in those regions eat more chapatis. Fish is available plenty in sea. Therefore, people in the Konkan have a lot of fish in their diet. Similarly, as the place changes, the people's diet also keep on changing. Depending on the seasons, we get different vegetables and fruits at different times of the year. Accordingly, the food items in our diet also change. When it is ceremony, special dishes are prepared. We make sweets especially when we celebrate a festival. What care should we take about our eating habits? Sprouted pulses and leafy vegetables should be included often in our diet. We should have yogurt and buttermilk occasionally. Once in a while, it is very good to have yogurt or buttermilk. The food items shown in advertisements, we are tempted to buy them. They are tasty, their wrappers are attractive, but that doesn't mean that they are also good for health. So make sure that whatever we eat is good for our health. Now, now let us have a short recap of what we have learned in this lesson. All that we eat and drink in a day is together called diet. Age, physical labor, and the state of health causes diet to differ from person to person. Diet also changes according to the food items available in different seasons. The foodstuffs readily available in different regions are different. This brings about diversity in people's diet. Eating a variety of foodstuff in our diet helps to meet all the food related needs of our body. The attractive and tasty food products that we see in the advertisements may not be necessarily good for our health. I hope you all have enjoyed learning this chapter, students. Take care and keep learning.